Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change birth date on Viber. Maybe you want to update your birth date to ensure accurate information or you simply want to make adjustments. So today I'm going to show you how to change birth date on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on this pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can now start on changing your birth date. First, tap on your current birth date and a menu will appear. And here, you can now set your new birth date. Simply select the day, month, and year by tapping on the respective fields. Then scroll through the options to find the correct date. Once you have set your new birth date, tap on this OK button to apply the changes. After that, you now have successfully changed your birth date on Viber. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change birth date on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change birth date on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.